Hannah is in court to claim the court maximum of £5,000 owed on a loan she took out on behalf of her cousin. Defendant Nicola disputes owing this amount and says due to a change in her circumstances, she has been unable to make repayments.
Now, do I have Nicola here?
Yes.
And Hannah, correct?
Yes.
Hannah, although you only really met just under 10 years ago, you're related, aren't you?
Yeah, first cousins.
First cousins. How does it feel today to have effectively been forced to bring Nicola to court?
It's sad that it's come to this, but the worst thing for me is all the lies and deceit constantly, ever since I found out in May.
So you believe, I don't want to be absolutely clear, unequivocal, that Nicola is a liar?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And deceitful?
Yeah.
Do you accept that?
No, I haven't lied about anything or deceived her about anything.
Well, let's see. What happened in 2011? Am I right, Hannah, that you helped Nicola out with a small loan of £550?
Yes.
And you also allowed her to use a credit card for home insurance?
Yeah.
Did she pay it back?
I think she did, but she was late, which meant there was interest.
She may have been late.
It's just that we were so close at the time, and obviously she promised me that she would pay me back.
Promises, promises. 2011, you found yourself in a situation where you needed a substantial amount of money. You didn't go to a bank, why not?
I had bad credit, I couldn't get a loan of that size.
Putting it down. Bad credit. That means that no sensible financial institution would lend Nicola even a small amount of credit. Did you know that in 2011?
I knew that she had problems and that she couldn't get a loan herself, which is why she went through me. So obviously, looking back, you know, I was foolish. I shouldn't have done it. But because we were so close, and she promised she'd pay me back.
On the 30th of December, the day before New Year's Eve of 2012, you did receive a huge amount of money in the form of a loan, which Hannah took out. You went to the bank together, correct?
Yes.
Now, I need to pause and make sure that my chair is entirely still, because there's a good chance I'm likely to launch out of it. How much money did you borrow from a financial institution to give to Nicola, please, in total?
16,000.
Do you agree with that?
I don't actually remember having that much, no.
Well, you don't remember.
No.
Can't remember. 16,000, a small amount for you.
She doesn't remember much.
I don't remember having £16,000.
Well, let me help you. You have some evidence of receiving
Yeah.
that £16,000. 2 transfers made to you. Minus £550, 15,450. I see, madam. And what you deducted was the £550 that she'd previously borrowed.
Yeah, so I still haven't got that back.
But perfectly reasonable.
Mm-hmm.
Voila! It was a loan repayment that I've seen over 98 months. Do you know in total, if you were to pay that loan of £16,000, how much you personally, bearing in mind you signed for it in your name, would be personally liable for? In total, over all of those months, how much?
It was about 28,000, which Nicola was fully aware.
£28,123 and 52 pence. Correct? Now, you're aware of this.
Yes.
And there was an agreement between the two of you. And the agreement was you would make those monthly repayments. How much were the monthly repayments at the beginning?
£293 every month.
£293 a month. When you received nearly £16,000, did you use that money to pay off all of the other debt that you had?
Yes.
Between April 2012 and December 2016, of those £293 payments, it's correct to say that she didn't default once. True?
true, apart from her dad made some of the payments.
I don't care whether Father Christmas paid.
OK, just making sure you know.
It's irrelevant.
As we obviously got to know each other better, I just found out that she wasn't the person I thought she was, so we did drift apart.
You moved to Bristol and didn't even bother seeing me when you came home to see your
Because we
family.
drifted apart.
OK.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.